Hello, ice cream lady.
Hello.
What does your restaurant have available?
It have popsicles.
Okay.
Ice cream, donuts, chocolate ice cream, drinks. We have gumbo machine.
Okay. Let's see. What should I order? What do you think is best, ice cream lady? What is the best thing to order at your ice cream store?
I have ice cream. I have popsicles.
Okay. You think I should get a popsicle?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, show me your popsicles. Alright, right here. Alright, so I have to press the button first. Okay. You're gonna open your fridge.
We have balls for babies.
Okay. I don't think that one's a popsicle. Alright, what else you got in there?
We have
Blueberry. And what's this yellow one? What's that flavor?
lemon,
Lemon. And the pink one, what flavor is that?
strawberry.
Strawberry. I think I'll take the lemon one.
It's too sour.
It's too sour? Then can I have strawberry?
Yes.
Alright, strawberry, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Look,
Lick it. Nom 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 nom
Eat it.
nom 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 nom.
all done?
Should I pay first?
Yes.
Or can I pay now? Alright, let me take my card and pay.
Thank you.
What about Baby Leopard? He's hungry. Can Baby Leopard have something too?
What's that baby bud? Which one do you like?
What do you like, Baby Leopard? Maybe he will like an ice cream cone.
Oh, we do.
But I see you have ice cream.
I do.
Could we have one ice cream cone for the Baby Leopard, please?
What? I have strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, and we have lemon, and we have vanilla. What do you like?
I think Baby Leopard will like to have
Strawberry.
strawberry. One scoop of strawberry ice cream, please.
Two.
One scoop of strawberry ice cream, please.
Coming right up.
All right, thank you. $2,000? This ice cream is so expensive.
Wait, this is not right. We have to use this one for Baby Leopard.
Okay. He gets the ice cream cup. Okay. Is that easier for Baby Leopard to eat?
Sure.
All right, hold on. Would you like to feed it to him? All right, just a second.
Open your mouth.
Hold on. Oh, I'm so hungry. He likes it.
Eat it.
Oh, yummy. Yummy.
Keep eating it.
I think Baby Leopard eat it all now. He says thank you.
Let's see. Is Gumbo Shoe.
Alright, let me pay for Baby Leopard's ice cream. He got, which one did he get? He got this one?
No, we got this one.
No, that's a gumball. This is what Baby Leopard got.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay. Thank you.